Okay, thank you so much for joining us in our tutorial. And in this tutorial, our aim is to prove how this formula comes about. Okay, so now we are calculating the distance between 2 points along the longitude. So we need to say this is the longitude that we have. Now we want to calculate the distance between 2 points, that is point A and B. So how does this formula come about? That is the question that we are going to answer in this tutorial. Feel free to join me. Okay, so to start with, we need to say we have this circle here. Let us pick it the way it is. We should write it here as a circle. So we have this circle. And in this circle, we have 2 points. We have this point, which is A, and there's also another point here, which is B. Our aim is to find the distance between these 2 points, which is this part. As you can see, we're going to find this distance here. Now, when you check what we are given here, there's theta here. This is an angle. You can see from our formula here. There's theta over 360 times 2 pi r. So now, this angle is formed out of 360. So it has formed a complete 10. Then we should pick this angle. So we have a complete 10 here. So we know to say a complete 10 makes up to what? 360. So it has cut the angle that we have, which is theta here. So do this. So this part is for this theta. It has indicated here. Okay. So now, I know to say you have knowledge about similarities. So we are going to use similarities to derive this formula. How? Let us see. We know this is a circle. And we've only picked these 2 points, which is A and B. So we're picking these 2 points out of what? A complete circle has a distance of, distance is equal to 2 pi r. This is the distance of a complete circle. So now, we have AB. Let us form the ratios using what we have here. So AB is the distance that we are picking, and this is the distance that we want to calculate. So we have AB here. Now, coming to the angle that we have inside, which is a complete 10 is 360. So we have the angle of 360. This is the angle which is 360. That is the complete 10. Now we are taking this angle that we want to find, that we want to use to find the distance. So we are saying we have the angle theta. Now forming the ratios, we say AB to 2 pi r, which is the total distance of the circle, 2 pi r. And we can also find the ratios from the angles that we have. We say theta to 360, which is the complete 10. Now, what we have here, we can now use these ratios that we have to come up with this formula. How? Let us see how we're going to do it. So we can say AB over theta is equal to 2 pi r over 360. So now our aim is to find what? AB. Let us multiply here. So get